Funny animal stories! Let's go! Oh, what is this box? Open it, open it!
Maybe snacks inside. Let's see together. Ready, everyone?
Yes, yes! Open it now! Let's go! A banana! It's dancing! Haha, funny banana! So silly! Red apple and yellow banana! 2 colors!
Nice colors.
Beautiful! More snacks! So many!
Party time.
Wow!
Snack party. Party time.
Dance!
So fun. Dance time.
Wiggle, wiggle!
Spin. Circle dance.
Round, round! Spin! Wow! Almost stop! Get ready! Stop now! Stopped! All done! Good!
Let's line them up.
Line, line!
Straight line. Perfect line. Nice.
Pretty!
Good job. Let's count them.
1 apple,
2 banana. 3
cookie, 4 cupcake. Jump! 2, 3, 4.
Let's roll again.
Rolling! Push! Go! Follow them. I'm coming fast. Wait! Run! Catch up! Slow! Almost stop. Ready! Stop! Done! Done!
Good job.
That was fun! Very fun! Again! Let's play more! Let's make a shape! Shape game! Circle!
Let's try. Circle shape.
Round! Round!
Perfect.
Nice shape!
Now a line.
Straight line! Move, move! Let's change! Perfect line! Straight!
Let's dance again.
Dance! Spin!
Dance party.
Wiggle!
Spin, spin.
Slow down! Almost ready! Stop! Done! Good job! Let's play a new game! New game!
What game?
Tell us!
Lace hide and find.
Hide game!
I like it. Let's start.
Where did they go? I can't see. Find them.
Look carefully.
I see something red. Apple. Found one. Good. Where is banana? Look. There.
Behind grass.
Found it.
Where is Cookie?
Behind rock. Found it.
Good searching.
Where is Cupcake?
Behind bush.
I see it. Found all.
leader.
Follow game. I follow.
Let's start.
Follow me. I follow. Me too. Coming. Jump. Walk slow, slow walk. Careful, nice. Stop. Stopped. Stop. Good. That was fun. So fun. Again. Let's play more.
Who wants to lead now?
Me too.
Take turns. New leader next.
Ready. Let's go.
Fun continues.
I am the leader now. Go, Pip. We follow. Lead us.
Walk fast. Fast walk.
Hurry. Careful.
Spin, spin,
Spin. Walk slow. Slow. Careful. Nice.
run fast.
Fast. Catch up. Wait. Stop. Stop. Stopped. Good. Good. Good leading, Pip. I did it. Great job. Well done.
Next leader.
Who next? Me.
Your turn.
I am leader now. Go, Dodo. We follow. Let's go.
Follow me, everyone.
We follow. Let's go. Lead us. Walk like this. Zigzag. Funny walk. Nice. Jump small. Small jump. Tiny jump. Huge. Big jump. Big. High jump. Whoa. Slow spin. Spin. Fast spin. Dizzy. Stop. Stop. Stopped. Good. Great job. Nice leading. Thank you.
Who next?
Me.
Yes, Mimi.
I am leader now. Go, Mimi. We follow.
Let's go.
Follow me, everyone. We follow. Let's go. Lead us. Walk quiet, quiet. Shh. Soft steps.
Reach high.
Up. Twirl. Spin. Spin. Round. Round. Freeze. Still. No. You did it. So fun. Best game.
Again. amazing!
So happy! Best day! Love it!
See you